Let's see how we can use the map function in Google Sheets. We have the Google Sheet map function open and it has the data we require. In column A, we have the x values. These are the x coordinates for a straight line. In column B, we will get the y coordinates for the straight line. In column D, we have the slope, m of the straight line. For now it is 1. In column E, we have the intercept, c of the straight line. For now it is 0. We want to get the y coordinates for the straight line with x coordinates as given in column A, slope as in cell D2, and intercept as in cell E2. For this, we will use the map function, which maps each value in the given arrays to a new value. It takes array 1, optional array 2, and so on, and lambda as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write, equal to map A2 to A22, we don't want any other array. The next argument is lambda, which creates a custom function. It takes an optional name, and formula expression as arguments. We will write lambda row index. Formula expression we will write of the form mx plus c, that is, d2 multiplied by row index plus e2. We see that we get the same values as x coordinate as m is 1 and c is 0. If we change the value of m to 2, y values will be twice the x coordinates. Let's change it back to 1. Let's add a line chart to better understand the effects of changing m and c values. First, we need to head to the Insert tab. From there, select Chart. We see that a chart with chart type, line chart is created. The y versus x chart is created. We get a straight line passing through the origin. For x equal to 10, we get y equal to 10, for x equal to 5, y is 5, since the slope, m is 1, and the intercept, c is 0, x equal to y and the line passes through the origin. Suppose, we change m from 1 to 2, we see that, for x equal to 5, y is 10 and for x equal to 10, y is 20, that is y coordinates are twice the x coordinates. Suppose, we change the intercept c to 5, for x equal to 0, we get y equal to 5. If we change c to 10, the value of y changes to 10 for x equal to 0. Now if we change c to minus 10, the value of y changes to minus 10 for x equal to 0. Let's change c back to 0. Suppose, if we change the slope m to minus 2, for negative x values we get positive y, and for positive x values we get negative y. Let's change m back to 1. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the map function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.